Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. This next project I'm really excited about. Not only do I like to build stuff, but I am a huge fan of watches. I have a small collection, 15, 20 watches, not huge. They're not expensive watches, but I do like them, and I do like to switch them out a lot. But one thing I don't like is watch boxes. Oh, they're a pain, they're cumbersome, they take up space. I just don't like them. So what I wanted to do was to make a wall-mounted watch box that I could get to my watches easily, quickly, easily. I said that all right. Anyway, so I wanted to make something nice that I could hang on my wall that my watches could go in, and something other than the little cushions that fit in the little holes and you got to take them out, and they don't, not all your watches fit. They always make the holes just big enough to fit small watches. Some of my watches are a little bigger, some of them are smaller, but I wanted to make something that had room, easy to in and out, quickly, something I could open up, grab, be on my way. So that's what I did. Let's take a look. Alright, so it's day one of the watch box build, and today what we're going to do is just build the box. We're going to cut the pieces of wood, glue it together, and build the framing of the box. That's all I'm going to do today. It's really hot today, and it's Sunday, and I have to work tomorrow, so that's about all I'm going to get done today. So, I got this wood at Lazada, really. I bought it from Lazada, and I don't know if you can see, but it's some pretty wood. Basically what I'm gonna do is get the 4 pieces cut out for the box and for the frame of it, and get it glued together, and that way I can start working on all the inside pieces. Let's go ahead and do that now. Let's get some cutting.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Whoa, everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo, I hit the lotto, my motto. Roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham, this ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis. Hey, we gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light.
Basically what I need to do is get the partitions in, and then we will figure it out from there, okay? So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna get this routed out, get the partitions in, let it sit, and then start working on the drawer and the back piece, and I'm waiting on the wood for the door. It's gonna be a resin pour because I love resin, but first we need to get that done, so that's what we're gonna do right now, okay? Let's do that. the door on this piece. Oh, door sliding out. Alright, so the door for this piece, this is the mold. So I just have all these pieces of wood. I need to figure out how I'm going to fit in here, what kind of pattern I'm going to use. Shouldn't take me but a few minutes to figure it out. I might have to make some cuts to get things pieced together, but let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so it's early morning. Next morning, we're going to get this resin poured in the mold. Everything's set up and ready to go. Not the most beautiful mold in the world, but I do a lot of sanding, so I'll get any of the little imperfections out. So we need to get this poured. I'm going to pour a little layer of the blue color that I picked out. I'm going to do a light blue, and then I'm going to paint the wood with the resin, so it will kind of be, it should bring out the colors as well, but also it'll help adhere, hopefully take care of some of the bubbles, because I won't put the wood in until the resin has started to form a little bit, to congeal or whatever you want to call it. I'll pour a clear coat, maybe 1/8 of an inch or 1/16 of an inch over everything, so it'll have a clear coat, so it'll kind of give it a 3D look, I'm hoping. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and get this mold poured. I gotta pour the resin real quick. I got it measured up, everything's good. We're just gonna go from there. So let's do that now.
Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, so me get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole plate finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like
As you can see, we had a wee bit of a problem getting the door out of the mold. Yeah, I bought some silicone spray, and then I decided not to trust it, so I wiped it off. I probably should have done that.
yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, so me get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole plate finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like never really know when you gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like.
So I'm trying to figure out the inside layout of the box for my watches, and I think this is probably going to be the best bet. Oh, my shadow. Again, this is freestanding, so it's going to be vertical. I don't like the little cubby holes inside the boxes, so I want all these freehanging so I can just grab one, take it off, put it back on, and no problem, easy peasy.
Feel free, and I just wanna be me. Yeah, I just wanna go so crazy. I just wanna be a freak. Yeah, I just wanna rise to the top. Yeah, I just wanna go reach the peak. So I've been really well focused on success. Hey, y'all will see. Yeah, you'll see that I will get it. Cause I'm really focused, man. I make it with the rap and I just follow my path. I just follow my passion. To me, this is what's precious. Yeah, in my soul, man, I can feel it. So every single verse, man, I just gotta go and kill it, man. I gotta be the kid. I could be the guy taking you wild. I could be the villain with good as a kid. Lately I'm painting my path on my way. Yeah, I got no time that I can waste. So I've been sitting in the space. Yeah, making rest every day. Man, you know that I go insane. Yeah, I hit you with a bullet to the brain. Let us stop first cause we going insane. You don't know what I'm gonna do. You don't know what is next. And I'm loving the fact, truly it's making me blessed. Cause I work on my team, no snakes in the grass. And we have a trust in the wind because of the work that we did in the past. Because of the work that we did in the past. When we went to hours, you barely got rest. So I get the realm and we didn't finesse. So I got the feelings that we might be next. Cause when we go in, we win in the match. When we go in, we win in the match. So that's how we do, cause we be the best. We be the best, best. Yeah, we be the best. Whoa. Yeah, we be the best, best. We be the best. Hey, yeah, we be the best, best. Hey, we be the best. Yo, you wanna come and test? Whoa, you want to see we the best? Hey, you don't see that we're the best kid, so I suggest you never really come and test it. But otherwise, I will smack your face like Michael Jordan does with a ball in the basket. Oh damn kid, but you didn't expect it. You never really thought that this could just happen. But don't really come on and we pull out with the action. Cause people defeat those they don't get it like.
So that didn't look overwhelmingly hard, right? Are you ready to see the finished project? Let's take a look at it now. I fell in love with it. I think it turned out really good. My best project yet. I'm getting better and better every time.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you fast. Ooh. girl that they don't talk about. Quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
I hope you like this project as much as I do. I think it turned out really good. The wood turned out beautifully. The resin pour almost flawless, no bubbles. I think it turned out really good. I really like it, and again, I'm getting better and better with every project that I make. It's just getting a little bit better. So please come back for the next project. We're gonna do a little something for my wife on the next one. But please, if you like this project, come back, but also hit that like, share, subscribe. You know how that thing. You guys have been watching YouTube long enough to know now. Please hit it, like, share, subscribe. Pass it on to someone else. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.